any time that the minimum wage goes up, we also see a commensurate bump with the minimum salary. In California, in order to designate someone as a salaried exempt individual, meaning they don't have to clock in and out every single day, they don't get paid overtime, but they get their salary regardless of the number of hours that they work during the week. They also, you don't have to track their meal periods or their rest periods. That's what an exempt employee is. Well, there are two elements to every exempt test. Number one is the minimum salary, and number two is the duties test. Minimum salary. In California, almost every single position must meet at least a 2 times the state minimum wage standard. So for 2025, as the minimum wage increased to $16.50 an hour, that means that the commensurate minimum salary that you can pay on an annualized basis went up to $68,640. This is an increase of over $3,000 from last year. If this goes up to $18 an hour, right, all of a sudden the minimum salary is going to jump above $72,000 in order to meet the qualifications and the minimum bar before we even start talking about their duties, their responsibilities, their obligations to the business. And if you're paying anything less than the minimum salary that is called for under the California wage orders, it doesn't matter if that is your CEO of your company. If they're earning $68,639, that's $1 less, yep. If they earn $1 less than the state minimum wage, they are deemed an hourly non-exempt employee, okay? And so if we go up to an $18 minimum wage, you can see that it will be a substantial jump. It will be, there will be a difficult decision for a lot of businesses to have to make. Do you want to pay these folks $72,000 a year, or would it be easier to drop them down to an hourly, non-exempt worker where they get paid for every hour that they work? So just keep that in mind.